I'm really glad that I'm making this video before it gets edited, because that means I don't have to hear this.
Don't just scratch your pee-pee.
Hashtag nice. We have to bring this to a vote, because there is no way we can live in a world where both of these things come together and that sound is allowed to be made. Ah.
Oh, not the knife. Not the knife. Ooh. I don't have a knife with me. Fuck. You ever just cut your fingers off with your knife? Fruit ninja, but with fingers. Fruit by the foot. You ever just start chewing on your fingers? Oh, no.